This question comes from literally no one, but it's something you should absolutely be worried about. What if the moon suddenly moved 10 times closer to Earth? Right now, the moon is about 384,000 kilometers away. That's far enough for astronauts to say, let's take a selfie with Earth in the background. But what if, one random Tuesday morning, the moon was just 38,000 kilometers away, 10 times closer and brighter than your phone screen at 3 a.m.? Let's talk tides. The moon causes them by pulling on Earth's water. Move the moon closer, and its gravitational pull becomes 1,000 times stronger. Forget peaceful beach tides. We're talking massive tidal waves hundreds of meters high. Cities like New York, Tokyo, London, gone. The Earth would essentially be breathing water in and out, like a giant soggy lung. But hey, at least surfing would be epic, if you like surfing in the apocalypse. Now, let's talk about time. The moon slows down Earth's rotation. Bring it closer, and our 24-hour day could shrink to just 10 hours. So, congratulations, you just got more weekends. And also more sunburns, because the weather has become a chaotic mess. Storm systems can't stabilize. Hurricanes form every week. Tornadoes decide to pop up wherever they want, like they're on vacation. But don't worry, you won't have to deal with that for long. Why? Because you're probably dead. The moon doesn't orbit the Earth in some perfect eternal dance. It's actually slowly drifting away. That's a good thing. If we reversed that and pulled it closer by a factor of 10, we'd cross something called the Roche limit. The Roche limit is where gravitational forces rip the moon apart. At 38,000 kilometers, it's just barely safe, but only for now. Once it passes the Roche limit, remember the Death Star blowing up Alderaan? Imagine that, but with cheese. The moon would rip apart, turning into a ring of debris. Congratulations, we now have Saturn's fashion sense. That beautiful ring, it would shower down in fiery chunks, lighting up the sky and devastating the surface. Assuming you survived tsunamis, earthquake storms, and hurricane festivals, now you deal with moon rocks falling like cosmic bowling balls. Let's say this doesn't happen all at once. You'd look up at night and see a giant glowing eye staring down at you. Nights would no longer be dark. Animals that rely on darkness would be confused. Owls quit. Fireflies unionize. The moon's gravity would start pulling Earth's crust like a toddler yanking a tablecloth. Earthquakes daily. Volcanoes party. And through all of this, we haven't even mentioned what would happen to satellites. GPS would stop working. Starlink chaos. Your Uber Eats delivery never arriving. Total nightmare. So to recap, massive tsunamis, shorter days, non-stop earthquakes, weather gone wild, glowing moon nights, falling rocks, volcanoes everywhere, and no pizza delivery. But hey, if you survive, the view would be absolutely breathtaking. Just remember to look up fast before the moon crashes into you.